Wait, Mr. Freeze or Batman and Robin?
Batman and Robin.
Batman and Robin.
It's just cock.
Okay. Well.
Is that a video or?
Yeah. We're in study hall.
Yeah.
This is Skylar.
I'm Skylar.
This is Skylar.
I'm Skylar.
Hi, Skylar. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, I'm Skylar, and I'm a senior. I'm going to be graduating soon. Be moving out, hitting the road.
You like that?
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
Orange.
Why?
Well, favorite color is blue.
Oh, that's mine. That's mine. Broncos.
And they're
stuff.
orange and blue. And
Okay.
purple, because Chris likes purple.
Oh, I like purple.
I
My
like
braces are purple. Okay. What's your favorite time of day?
You know, my favorite time of day is lunch, and I'm going to tell you why. Because I get to eat. And I'm going to tell you I like to eat because I personally like being fluffy. Because when I fall, it doesn't hurt as much. You know, I think it's a legit answer.
It is.
Really.
Our favorite time of day is eating too.
Yeah.
Any
I love
time of
eating
day
food.
that we eat.
Food.
Like right now, I could eat this balloon.
Yeah, so.
That's my favorite.
Legit.
Yup. Alright.
Gross.
I like your boots.
Thanks. They were $4.
That's a bargain.
Originally $40,
Wow.
but I got them for $4. I thought it was a bargain.
Okay, ask a question.
I'll take it.
Okay.
Chris, explain us about this pillow. Okay.
I like balloons. Ow.
Okay.
Oh, Brooke.
Do it.
Oh no, my boot snapped.
Oh, my hair love that. Do you have a bounce? Jacob, try.
Miss Cabot, isn't she the clown?
Yeah, Peaches.
Peaches the clown?
Yeah.
And I was late because it takes me a really long time to pee.
This is really fun.
Onesie. And she's like, why are you late? I said, it takes me a long time to pee in this onesie. And she's like, what? And I'm like, I'm wearing a onesie. It's one piece. It takes me a long time to pee. And she's like, I wear this so fast. I thought it was a legit story. Apparently you didn't think so. Okay. Well, you know, really, I think this is the end of my interview, so I wish you
So
luck.
nice talking to you.
How do I turn it off? 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 How do I turn it off?